All right. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest, Zoe, here. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so for this video, I received this amazing candle making kit from Soft Owl.
And also guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.
Yes. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and hit that like button. If you like these videos, it would really help. Comment down below what you guys think, and let's get on to this video.
Okay.
All right. So this is the box.
Yeah, it's a calibrator so Mom can make for me and Mommy and me.
Yes. It comes with 7 unique candle jars, 7 soy wax bags, 7 fragrance oils, 16 colors, and dried flowers. So super exciting. So easy to open. It's even packaged really nicely, as you guys can see.
See?
Oh, it's cute. It even has the stop.
Mommy.
It has.
Hey, Mommy, if you. Sorry,
Okay, yeah, no, those are not stickers. All right, so they have labels. They created the labels for you to print out. I mean, they're like stickers labels, and you put them on the jars, which are really cute. I really like these. Super cute. So cute. Perfect. I love that it has a instruction guide on how to, make candles. These are the bags. It said, oh my god, so many soy. Hold on. Zoe, back up. Stop touching.
Where are those things?
Well then. This bag was kind of open, so soy just went everywhere. That's fun. But you have
Soap.
It's wax.
This wax.
We got seven bags of wax.
Yeah.
I may have less because I, spilled one all over the place. There's this cute jar like this. Super adorable.
Yes, super adorable.
There are 2 of these. All right, the next ones are really cute. Hold on, let me open one.
I'm trying to make some puppies.
Oh my god. Look at the jar.
Look at these.
This is so cute. So it comes in yellow, pink, white, and this cute bright blue color. Yes, and silver. Then of course, Zoe, stop. Then of course it has the wicks,
Also,
the stickers, the warning stickers.
Also it.
Stop. The wick holder, and then
The wick holder.
a stirring spoon. Oh, these are so important. Okay, this is for the essential oils, and it has the measurements, so you know exactly how much you're putting in per candle. A thermometer, which yes, and this has a it has a metal tip. So I ordered a thermometer like a while ago because you guys know I've been making candles, and it has like a rubber tip, so it keeps bending, which silly me. Hello, rubber in hot wax doesn't go, but now I have a metal tip. Then the
And also
florals, rose
And
buds,
also, guys,
lavender,
look my
and
t-shirt.
chamomile.
And also guys, look what t-shirt.
Oh my god, and dyes. Okay, I've been wanting to make colorful candles. So we have green, bright pink, so many colors, guys. Orange,
Oh no.
Hold on.
Make
Dark blue, violet. I'm so excited right now. Red. Ooh, I think one of the essential oils spilled. Yeah. Whichever fragrance this is, it totally spilled. Yeah. Don't touch it, Mama. It's wet.
It's wet.
Purple. Did I say purple right? No, I said violet. Purple.
Violet.
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, a bright slime.
Bright slime. I love slime.
No, lime. It's slime. Brown.
I love slime.
So many colors, guys. Bright yellow.
Bright yellow.
Pink. Because the other one was a bright pink. This is regular pink.
Yep.
Black, which I think will make a candle. Or maybe if you put the whole thing into one candle. That'd be interesting. If it would it make it gray or black. I don't know.
Gray, black.
Yellow. Ooh, aquamarine. And then, but oh yeah, perfect. Cause like if you want to like change the color and stuff. But all those colors. And of course to melt the wax, the cup. And I'm pretty sure that is everything in here. Oh, essential oils. Hello. So they sent me lavender, which is a staple candle fragrance. I think everyone makes like lavender stuff. Like I think I always make something with lavender or lavender candles. Oh, my favorite fragrance, sandalwood. I love sandalwood. It just makes everything smell good, especially when you mix it with a floral scent. Beautiful. It's like a perfume. A vanilla, which I've actually needed a vanilla for one of my candles. Cinnamon. I've yet to try cinnamon in a candle. Oh, my favorite scent of all, doesn't matter if it's not essential or not, rose. I love rose scents. And all of these scents are 100% essential oils. Oh, jasmine. Yes. I haven't tried jasmine yet. And then this one, which is apple. Oh, interesting. Apple.
Orgeez. What's that?
These are the essential oils, Mama. So,
Oh,
yeah.
apples. Oh, banana. Oh, apples are
Yeah.
favorite. Here you go, Mommy.
So that is everything. All right, thank you. So that is everything that comes in the box. It makes candle making super simple because they give you everything you need. They give you the instructions. They give you the instructions. You're gonna sit next to me and smile and just let me speak. So this kit is super simple and easy to use. Perfect if you're new to making candles or want to learn to make candles, or even an expert in candle making. It's only, I think, $49.99, so $50. Yes. It's only $59. It's only $49.99, and you're gonna get what? 4 like big jars. Then you get 3 little jars. She goes. Then you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 essential oils, a bunch of colors, labels for your candle jars, a thermometer, and the wicks and everything you need to make candles. And honestly, they send you so much wax that you'll have extra. So I'm pretty sure this is more than enough to fill up these jars and have a little bit extra if you know what you're doing. But or if you don't know what you're doing, it's perfect to have all that wax, because just in case you make a mistake. But with that being said, definitely check them out. I'm going to put the link down below in the description so you guys can get the set. It comes with, like, the fragrances are so good. That's apple smell. So good. I cannot wait to make a candle. Of course, I'm going to add it to the end of this video of my finished product. Hopefully I can record me actually making the candles, but I always tend to like not do that because like the kids are usually running around and I need to concentrate. But I will try my best and you will see end results of this amazing kit. But yeah, definitely check them out down below in the description.